All right, you guys, I am leaving my hotel in Grants, New Mexico. It is very cold this morning. I saw people getting into their cars to leave this morning from the hotel, and they had to scrape their windshields. The sun is out. It's a beautiful morning, and I am hoping that the sun will warm things up quickly. And lucky for me, I get back on Route 66. Route 66. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. All right, you guys, very cold, beautiful morning. I've got a little bit of a tailwind, and I am on my way to Laguna. I've actually got some trikers that are going to pick me up and host me in Albuquerque. Very excited to be with friendly people and off the road for a couple days. Gotta turn now to stay on Route 66. So we've got a bit of a climb here. Gotta watch the traffic. All of a sudden there's like all kinds of traffic here. I guess it's because I-40. Here we go. So this is also East 124. Oh yeah, I-40 is right here. Wow, look how smooth this road is. Oh, it's just a joy to ride on. Quiet, clean, smooth. Oh man, this is what touring's about for me. Yeah, pretty nice view too. Looks like we've got some lava beds. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So Route 66 has moved to the other side of Interstate 40, and I'm getting a lot of honks from semi trucks drivers as they're on Interstate 40. I'm here on Route 66. And you know, I was on Interstate 40 for a long time, and I'm sure a lot of these guys saw me more than once, and I'm sure that they were chatting amongst themselves about me, wondering what is that? And years ago I did a tour on the southern tier, and I pulled into a truck stop and learned that, oh yeah, you know, they were like, oh little lady, we're looking out for you. And so it feels really fun to have the semi truck drivers honking and giving me a thumbs up as I'm riding on Route 66. Oh my gosh, what a fabulous day it is out here. It's just perfect cycling conditions. I'm on Route 66. I'm on my way to Laguna. Bright blue skies, light winds. Smooth surface, hardly any traffic. Scenery is interesting. I have had so many interactions with people. A man just stopped and gave me $20. He didn't say a word. He didn't ask me about my trike, my trip, nothing. He just handed me $20 and got back in his car. Oh my gosh, I've stripped down my rain coat, taken the baggies off my feet, and I've just got a windbreaker on. I did keep my rain pants on. It's a little bit cool still. But, oh my gosh, I'm just having a great time.